Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today's class will be discussing how to maintain the accounts under partnership firm. Previously we have discussed how to maintain the accounts in a sole trader form of organization. The maintenance of accounts in partnership and sole trading are almost similar, but one thing is different is that in case of partnership form of organization, we prepare another account called as profit and loss appropriation account. Now what is this profit and loss appropriation account? This is an account where the adjustments, for example interest on drawings, interest on capital, and the salary what has to be paid for the partners, commission, anything has to be paid, all these adjustments will be made with the profit, and finally what profit is coming, that will be taken into consideration, and then that profit will be shared among all the partners. Okay, so that is the only major difference between the maintenance of accounts in a sole proprietor and in a partnership form of organization. Okay, profit and loss and loss appropriation account this is prepared, this profit and loss appropriation account is prepared in case of a partnership form of organization. Okay, so as I told you, the adjustments are done already. The trading account is prepared. Suppose if it is a manufacturing firm, manufacturing account will be prepared, and then they will be preparing the trading account or the profit will be calculated. After the profit is calculated, then the profit is taken to the profit and loss appropriation account. So what does this profit and loss appropriation account consist of? It consists of the net profit or the trading profit which is brought down from the previous account, okay, from the trading account. Then the profit what is calculated and got from the trading account, that is not directly taken to the capital account. Before that, what we have to do, there will be some adjustments we have to do, show that adjustments, and then again calculate the profit, divide among the partners. There may be 2 partners, 3 partners, 4 partners, any number of partners, up to maximum up to 50. Okay, so this profit should be calculated after making the adjustments, and then it will be shared among all the partners. Then whatever is shared among the partners, that will be carried on to the capital account. Okay, so today's class, how to prepare capital account. Okay, capital account. In case of a sole trader or sole trading concern, the single trader's capital alone is shown in the balance sheet, whereas in case of partnership form of organization, the partner's capital will be shown. First we have to prepare capital account and then current account. So these have to be prepared first, adjusted, all the adjustments has to be made there, then we have to show the balance in the balance of the capital account will be carried forward to the balance sheet. So that is something different from the sole proprietorship. Okay, so what are the things prepared here? Capital account and current account. So both are prepared here. For maintaining capital accounts of the partners, 2 methods are followed. How many methods are followed? 2 methods. 2 methods are followed. What are the 2 methods? One is fixed capital method and the other one is the fluctuating. Fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. See, the word fixed, it shows that something is fixed, it doesn't change. What is it, something that doesn't change? It is the capital. Here in fixed method, the capital remains the same. When the capital changes, unless there is some additional capital or there is drawings, only in these 2 cases there is a change in the capital. Okay, in fixed capital method, the capital remains same. Capital remains same, it doesn't change. Only when there is capital introduced or additional capital, or when there is any permanent drawings, only in these cases it will change, otherwise it remains the same. Fluctuating, the name fluctuating shows it changes. What changes? Capital. Capital goes on changing. Why the capital is going on changing here in case of fluctuating capital? Because in fluctuating capital, what happens? We are not only going to show the capital, but we are going to show all the other adjustments also. Okay, so that is why the capital goes on changing here. But here we are going to show only the capital. Okay, only the capital of the partners. So all throughout the year, what happens? The capital doesn't change, it remains the same. Okay, how to maintain capital account in partnership form of organization? How many methods are there? Two methods are there. One is fixed capital method and the other one is the fluctuate. Fixed means the capital remains the same. In case of fluctuating, the capital goes on changing. Okay, so this is the basic thing you have to keep in mind. Now we will see what is fixed capital method. Okay, fixed capital method. Okay, as I already said, capital remains the same. Capital is fixed, it does not change. Then here we are going to prepare two accounts. How many accounts are going to prepare? We are going to prepare two accounts. Okay, what are they? Capital account and current account. Okay. In capital account, as I already said, capital remains the same. In capital account, we will be writing only the capital of the partners. Capital of the partners alone will be written here. Okay, so it remains the same. Then all the other adjustments, that is interest on capital, then interest on drawing, salary, commission, all the other adjustments and all, what we have to do, where we have to write? We have to write everything in the current account. You have to open another account called as current account and you have to show everything there in the current account. Okay, so two accounts are prepared here. One is capital account and the current account. So that is called as fixed capital method. Under fixed capital method, we are going to prepare two accounts, that is capital account and current account. Next is the fluctuating capital method. Now, the word fluctuating means that the capital goes on changing. Capital changes. Why the capital is changing here? Here the capital is changing because in capital account we are going to put up all the adjustments, drawings, everything will be shown there in the capital account. So because of that, what happens? The capital is not the same, it goes on changing. Okay, so capital changes here and we are going to prepare, how many accounts you are going to prepare here? You are going to prepare only one account. What is that one account? Capital account. So here in the capital account, you will be showing the capital plus all the other adjustments. Okay, there is no need to prepare current account in case of fluctuating capital method. Suppose in the question the method is not given, so what method you are going to follow? It is not specified whether you have to prepare the capital account under fixed method or fluctuating method. Nothing is shown means then what we have to do? We have to prepare only under fluctuating capital method. That is, we have to prepare only capital account, put the capital and all the adjustments there. Okay, that is the meaning of fluctuating capital method. Okay, then one more thing you have to keep in mind, in case of capital account, there will be only credit balance, because all capital always is what? It is a liability, and there will be only be credit balance. But here, since the adjustments is also put here, what happens? There will be sometimes debit balance or sometimes credit balance also. It will show debit balance as well as credit balance. Okay. Next, we will see the difference between fixed capital method and fluctuating method. Differences between fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Okay, fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Already I told you what is fixed capital method and what is fluctuating capital method. If you have understood the meaning of the fixed and the fluctuating, then it is very easy to note the differences also. So, what is the first thing here? Capital, fixed. So, capital remains same, it does not change, remains same. Here what happens? Capital changes. Okay, here the capital remains the same, here capital changes. Okay. In fixed capital method, how many accounts you are going to prepare? You are going to prepare 2 accounts. Here 2 accounts are prepared. 2 accounts are prepared. What are the 2 accounts? Capital account and current account. Okay. Here only one account. Only one account is prepared. What is it? One account? Capital account. You are going to prepare only capital account and you are going to put everything, that is the capital, drawings, interest on drawings, interest on capital, salary, commission, profit, loss, everything will be shown in this one account, that is the capital account. Okay. Next one, here 2 accounts are prepared. So, this capital account, 2 accounts. What are the 2 accounts you are preparing here? Capital account and current account. Capital account will always show credit balance. Capital account always shows credit balance. Okay. Here we prepare current account also. Either debit or credit balance. Okay. In case of current account, it can be debit balance or sometimes it can be credit balance also. Okay. But in capital account it will always show what balance? It will show only credit balance only, because capital is a liability. All liabilities have credit balance. Okay. So, capital account shows only credit balance, current accounts either debit or credit balance. Okay. Here we are going to prepare only capital account. So, when there is only capital account, it may sometimes show credit or debit balance. Why it is showing sometimes credit balance and sometimes debit balance? Because all the adjustments are done here. So, based on the adjustments, the balance, sometimes credit side will be more, sometimes debit side will be more. Okay. So, that is why it is told here either credit or debit balance we will get in when we are preparing capital account under fluctuating capital method. Okay. Next, all adjustments are shown in current account. Okay, what are the adjustments? In capital account we are preparing two accounts, one is capital account and current account. In capital account you are going to write only capital, and in current account what you are going to do? You are going to write all the adjustments, that is drawings, interest on drawings, interest on capital, share of profit, share of loss, commission, salary, and if there is anything else also, that also will be written, all the adjustments will be written only in the current account. Okay, capital account we are going to show only the capital. Here we are not preparing two accounts, here we are preparing only capital account. Here we are preparing only capital. Since you are preparing only capital account, in the capital account you are going to write capital as well as all the adjustments. Okay, so all adjustments are shown in the capital account. So this is the major difference between fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. In fixed capital method, capital remains the same, it doesn't change. Here capital goes on changing. Two accounts are prepared here, only one account is prepared here. What are the two accounts? Capital account, current account. Capital account always credit balance, current account sometimes debit balance, sometimes credit balance. Here since the adjustments are shown here, capital account shows credit balance or debit balance also. Okay, all adjustments are shown in the current account. We prepare current account and we put all the adjustments in the current account. Here we prepare only capital account and everything is shown in the capital account only. Hope you understood, children. So these are the difference between fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Okay.